history was made with the visit of Dr. Susanne Dattenberg-Doyle, development queen of Gbi-Kpoeta, who recently visited Ghana together with her husband, Mr. Thomas Dattenberg-Doyle. This moment brought together culture, community, and connection. The people of Gbi-Kpoeta welcomed them with open arms.
So we need somebody who is here all the time, and I'm hardly ever here, which is not very good. But I'm still committed to the community, and I'm still willing to help you and support you. I brought a little thank you note to you all. Is that the right time to give it? Or would you like to tell me first what is the situation in Kpoeta? Actually, I'd be very interested. What is the situation in Kpoeta as we speak?
The progress of the school she established. Engaged in meaningful dialogue with the elders, District Queen Mama Takezi IV and the Chief of Gbi-Kpoeta, Tokbe Adam Take V. In a gesture of lasting commitment, she donated 100 bags of cement and 2 truckloads of sand to support the renovation of the school buildings, a powerful reminder of her enduring bond with the people of Gbi-Kpoeta. Dr. Susanne Dattenberg-Doyle, development queen of Gbi-Kpoeta, returned to Ghana with a powerful mission. She reconnected with Red Volunteers, visited Gbi-Kpoeta where she built a school 20 years ago, and inspected its growth. Dr. Susanne also made community leaders Queen Mama Takezi IV and Chief Tokbe Adam Take V. And to support renovations, she did 100 bags of cement and 2 truckloads of sand, a legacy of leadership, love, and lasting impact in Gbi-Kpoeta. The community honored her vibrant cultural displays and warm hospitality, a true celebration of her lasting bond with the people of Gbi-Kpoeta.